mommy.
So you come from down there, so?
Mommy, I see some red something down there, saying, mommy, and like a color, mommy.
I read Kalalu, they name, I would the man plant them down there. But anyway, every time when I see the harbour over the man they had, you know, the harbour over there. Remember say you're a young girl.
But mommy, over there so we go play, mommy.
Yes, but a man live over there. You see a be a man live over
there.
there.
Man now do me nothing, mommy.
You don't know when he go and do something.
Alright, mommy. Have you ever wash, mommy? No, mommy.
So if you wash your clothes, you can't help me?
Mommy, no. Can't
go wash your plate them.
Alright.
Oh yeah, how make you look so? When you want to leave in the yard? Sophia! Come here to make a yard, come here!
I wonder what Sophie could have do, you know. Some madman and him come back. And just deal with the pitney them rough so. Why?
How do you work out George the yard from morning, girl?
Me help mommy wash you.
And we answer to about what you say? Eh? Other man slap. When me call you must say yes, daddy. What me say? Look for me when I talk to you too. Me say look for me when I talk to you. When me call you must answer and say.
Yes.
Me say when me call you must answer and say.
Yes.
It's alright. If you say you're a big woman. No, Jaya rock up, go finish your copy yard. This damn little girl. You look at them damn crosses.
Good there. Well, curry some chicken back for Sophie.
What do you mean by curry some chicken back for Sophie?
I thought she said she want.
Are you want Sophie I provide food in here? Eh? Answer me, are you Sophie I provide food in here?
No.
So what do you mean by curry chicken back? I bring you chicken back more. And that me I make you know. Yo.
Me I do it. Me go cook the brown soup chicken back.
But curry, me want no curry. Matter of fact, I say food don't cook. So if you don't forget none. Here. That me I tell you. I'm telling this to man, hurry up to man. Here come man hungry. And when man hungry, man angry. That me I make you know.
Shall I cook? Me I go cook now.
Hurry up man.
Same thing. It's like mother won't hear.
Acha. Nisi. I don't over this. Nisi. I'm going here and that banana chair. You can sit down on there, say hello.
Uncle. Uncle, me not alright, no, uncle.
Yeah.
Are you alright at all?
Me don't like to see me don't like hear them something else and my niece not alright. No, sir, wait. Let me hear what I go on, sir. Hold on, phone. Are you phone this?
Yes, uncle.
You know, picnic child and the latest gadget, sir. Hold on for your phone. So my niece.
Yes, uncle.
What you mean you're not alright?
No, my stepfather, man. Every day he beat up mommy in our house, you know. And he all shame me and disrespect me, you know, through me not call him daddy, you know. And
What you not say?
and he not even my father. He not even act like I'm behave like I'm my father.
What you not say to me, my niece? What you really not say to me?
A true uncle.
Say if you call him daddy.
Yes, uncle.
But wait. But your mother not going with nothing.
He come like him blind, you know. That's why me have to say uncle.
So wait, when you talk to her, she listen to you?
No, uncle.
What you mean she not?
Every day, I pay a cousin in the night house, no, uncle.
Lord of his mercy. Look how me talk to. Come talk to your mother. Me talk to your mother about them careless man, you know. Sometimes me beg her if you just look and see what she are doing, you know. Because she have pitney to live for, you know. She can set example for you, you know. Sometimes I see her, you know, and it come like you a teacher. My niece.
Yes, uncle.
You have to help her around the place and understand a lot of things, you know. And grow yourself, you know. Because come like fear two people them want to grow you and make you understand life. Come like them distracted, confused. Not say a word, my niece. Me there for you.
Yes, uncle.
To encourage you and wake you up. Be strong, you hear me, niece?
Yes, uncle.
Be strong.
Yes,
And look for everything what them do and learn from the mistakes.
yes,
You hear me, niece?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, Sophia.
Yes, uncle.
Where your mother there?
Yeah, no, uncle. I don't know. I just come in here. They say not go walk.
Tina!
Someone a box say I'm go wash. I don't know where it on.
So you don't hear me a call, you don't hear me out there? My niece,
Yes, uncle.
you eat me some mango down the yard, me did catch some mango for you, you know.
Mango?
Yeah.
You can't go for them now, uncle.
Tina! I have some mango for you, man. Don't worry your head, me catch some mango for you.
Alright, uncle.
You can eat some mango and alright yourself.
Alright.
I don't want to see you sit down out there so you're alone. Although I know say you look thinking time you're gone. Like, them parents nowadays, they don't know so them pick me a goal and if you take care of them smart child where them bring come and hurt. Ah, Jesus. My niece, sometimes even myself thinking them parents are not even know say who knows the youth where them bring come and this hurt ya. We all save them more while save them. Take them out of the gutters. What me say? Uno self we come see them and help them. Them money where them take up and put in their life and a man them a man charge them.
Enough time he drink from me uncle and he come home in a junk and beat mommy with a piece of wood, you know.
Hey, Jesus.
He beat him. Sometimes he get black and blue and he use makeup cover it.
What Tina did?
Tina!
Tina!
Mommy run about.
Tina! 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 Yo, I can't manage in that place. Every time I come out this yard, there's some... Tina! Come here, Tina! Tina!
Oi!
So what them say? Come here, man! Clothes and skirt. Tina!
What going on, brother?
Tina!
What your sound, brother?
You know my son, Tina. Tina, what am Tina? I walk in her yard and because my niece sit down under a tree out there so she alone. And I tell me say, the man where you got ya, the man, he little low life man where you got ya. Antagonize her, Tina, what kind of style that? Eh? And you not even say nothing about it. No, sir. Tina, listen.
What mama fi say about him, what me tell you now already?
Wait a minute, tell me.
Tell you everything we
Tina, easy, listen what me say, listen what me say.
So what fi do? Me do all the best me can do already. Me tell you everything we happen in this yard there. Cause I saying go on sometimes, you know, said man go on like a them rule already, brother.
Tina, you have a prize data in this one. You have a prize data run this one. You see if you not see that, you see if you as the mother not see that, you think of that the man there gonna see that? Eh? You could have talked 1,000,000 times. No talking no mean nothing. Words no mean nothing. Words was created in a one time period over there, so. Our feelings do this thing. And if your daughter now feel right with that, the man there suffer true. Suffer true. You feel acknowledge that. You see me? And listen to your daughter. Because your daughter tell me, say the man all tell him, say, if you call her, she call him daddy. What kind of style that? If a man no earn that, the title there. Earn it, you hear that word there? Earn it. If he no earn that, the title there, he no forget it. And you as the mother fi know say, he no ready for that blouse and skirt there yet. Him is a piece of sha.
Enough time want look about something nice me pick me and me can't look about it, you know. Cause what him want me to look about. That's why me I tell him, so no half hour go on.
Action speak louder than word, man. Action speak louder than word.
Me no gone already, brother.
Have your phone this?
Yeah.
Hold on, man, I have the phone. To spoil in Japan, the phone and mash the phone.
Brother, one day things are changing. God not sleep, you know, brother. God not sleep. Me must live out of this one day. One day me must live out of it, brother, I swear.
Tell my sister,
What you mean by me I deal with? What you doing in my yard, brother? You come over me and make up my bag a nice a big man. Eh? Answer my question.
How we are talk to? Yo, how far they are disrespect me niece at time about
You me a chat?
Yo, me no want you chat to me niece and tell him say about call your daddy. When they not behave like I know daddy. You hate me niece
Big
and tell me
man,
everything.
yo, listen to me, you.
How you come out with what? You done gun?
Brother,
Easy, brother.
I don't gonna call you. I don't
Don't
call
know
you.
Shaquille,
I don't
don't
call
know,
you.
no Shaquille, don't know.
Watch yourself in a boy. Watch yourself in a.
Yo, bad man, me tell you,
Sis, me
yo.
come left your place here, man.
Yo, me know you come here, me here, come to my office, live their life. You hear that, youth?
You can't don't know. Me and my brother can't hold look real.
Yo, me no business boy, your brother.
So when you come in and argument, oh, you talk about then five.
Because your brother going like he want to this up man place and yo, how do you be?
If you not like a madman, you would not fit come here and act.
Yeah, like a madman.
You
want me to put one in the head right now, let me tell you.
and then where you go?
Business where I want to go after. I and your brother come and go and like say phone place. Let me tell you this, and me run your son. For me place this. You hear me I tell you? No matter how fact, you hear me I say, hey girl, belong in the house, that me a ras tell you. You hear that? I might be some man afraid of you and your brother, you know. Now come go and like say, phone places, one come tell me enough run your son. I never feel none of you know, and that me I make you know. Because this is so, it's not pet and pump of people, that me I tell you. You hear that? I'm never feel none of you know. None of your family them. That me I tell you. You hear? I want to get a man. Even no man you would. Yo, Skinny. Skinny. Yo. Who that? Who that? Yo, Skinny.
Who that?
Bombers.
Oh, Bombers. Give me a second there. Give me a second. Outside. Bless you, brother. Oh, sorry, man. Wash me and everything. Yeah, how you look, sir?
You come ask me how I look so. Come like say my yard or your yard.
Where you come off from?
Hear me say, nobody come talk about you not understand where I come off for. Zin, it's what I come off for right now is this, brother. You know, stop, come a man yard, brother. Eh?
But, yeah.
Let me say.
So why me can't?
No,
yard, bro, me not
understand
where this come, where all the whole no
brother,
come
hear me
yard.
say,
Do?
me have eyes everywhere, brother.
But me not understand.
But my ears
We
are
are
over me yard
talk
by the time
you
I
can't
am
just
yard, brother.
But you can't just tell me no come over, me no come over your yard and all of that. Me not understand where you come off.
You
You
understand
come
where
like
you
say
come
you pre me for something me no know about, bro. Me no know.
brother, you're not dealing with woman, bad man.
Me not deal with a woman.
Brother, what you mean by brother, you know what me talk about, brother? Eh?
You constant to say me no fi come over here and me not understand.
Brother,
Yo, me no,
when this you
so why you
understand?
tell me say me no fi come over here, my
Bad man, me see you, why is you understand, brother?
Me no come over, I just
Brother, me say, why
pass
not this you not understand, big man?
But me no analyze.
Yo, hear me I say. Me no want you come over me here, brother, me not did a bad man.
Yeah.
You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, man, me I hear him, man. Me I hear him, man.
Brother, you see this in my hand? In a pit and pump of paper, brother. You hear me I tell you? Brother. That man is the brother, you come over man here to man, woman. Brother, me have eyes everywhere. Me have ear in a bush. In a ear everywhere, brother, you can't think about that earth. Down to your clothes, me have ear upon big man.
But me just tell you something.
You just tell me.
Me no do nothing, I like me a woman, nothing.
Big man, man when you are there, here. See when you say you come back over there again. And this go happen.
Yeah, man, me I hear him. I hear him, man, you know.
That's what me even like see you.
Yeah, you just always I try to...
Brother, hear me I say, brother. Hear me I say, big man. Hear me I say.
But me no do nothing, dog. You just bully me and them thing there, dog. I tell you some why mother want the woman and sitting, brother. The woman a good woman and she a try have a relationship with her positive and dog just toxic. You just brother, me no understand a woman end up with all man like a them there. Man want back gun for me and I talk about me no come over here. When me a go over here go do. Me a woman a the youth kind of style that. A joke this. He says everything good still. And she would Tina good youth, good girl still no. Cause me I tell her, see if I make a couple of my dogs and know this man and shell out, he might come go and like look one stop can't do nothing. thing good, man. I don't know why girl just lift it. Just lift it, man. Cross is that, man. Cross is that, man. How man I do it, man, like a them there. Cha-cha.
Come, Skinny. Come.
Say. Japan sick, man. I know not much about this noodle and sardines, you know.
Oh.
And I really enough still, but
you can do something, man. Thank you.
Talking that, you know, say if your boy come over, they come back gun for me and sitting.
You want know?
All me a think say me ain't nothing so for show. Me not understand the people.
You have a friend in this world, you know.
That me I try show you.
And people have to have a friend. Not tell something wrong with me. Nobody not gonna look for me, you know.
Why me I tell her, God see I know. You know say me I tell him say me ain't nothing. Me not understand why people always think
so. Kill up you nothing now.
That me I talk about too.
I don't know what wrong with it.
That me I talk about.
I see me yesterday me I cook look chicken back and me say look girl saying that want stick curry, you know. You know what, yo man I go on.
This man, yesterday this morning.
This morning if you say boy yesterday, this morning me look bored.
Them no hear me over me yard and hear him. I'm mad man, you know. I'm mad man you there with me, I tell you.
Me go left him, you know.
But me not tell you left him, man. Me not tell you to
run, me go yet, but I go find one of my family them. But if you see my family know how in town, you know you understand, them further problem. They threaten them or something. You understand?
Why is that sick walking, man? Me not understand how man behave like that. So the truth.
Man abusive, bad man. And sometimes in chat to pitney like say, you know, people not grow them pitney them way there, you know.
And worse, I get pitney after. But me and behave and go along with the little girl so for true, me have to wonder if he alright.
So you can't alright.
Boy, me not
and if me go talk to him, I have to talk to him worse.
Me not gonna be one for tell her to leave or stay. You must know. I remember say you have a girl child, so you have to do the right thing. Because the man nowadays saying, my mother don't grow me so. Me would have never do me behave so with woman. No sir. Not a bombshell so for true.
Not true, man. You just make me afraid. Let me send the picnic guys up in fees 5 minutes no pick it. Look how far shop there.
Boy, team not to want to stay too long, you know, cause I tell her say it's like man just torment and it like a dopey more while in no emotion so true. Yeah.
That's true, man, you believe it. I want somebody to tell me that today I'm afraid.
See? Can't tell her for your life. I'm too tired to see me because this man in background for me say me come over here.
What do you see you do?
The thing man, yeah, outside.
Alright, later. Alright.
Oh, I feel your yard. Tina. I'm going to do it. You it already?
Me done cook long time. My care go on so nice.
So I'm not always nice to you. You mean by when you want so nice?
It's strange.
Anyways, say share my food yet.
I give me that weird for me. I to cut to make it cold.
But still, I know what to do. I'm going to go on the road and come back. I'm going to go on the side.
You don't want no food then.
I'm not really hungry and I'm soon, but so I'm forward about me some food. You see? You just say good now.
I must see woman. You go look for me. Can deal with me so nice.
Yeah. You mean by woman I look for? No, if no man, I go on the road and forward back.
Here.
You just say good man. Is it already?
I beat me. I go beat.
Oh good. Come just go access your way in a beer for the morning.
Come face must sit now do one beer. You know, go to your back.
Alright then, soon come here.
Alright.
I'm going to water fish and I'm fall back in the know. Nice thing I go on though. Skinny.
Yo, how that?
Bombers.
Oh,
Bombers.
where's that?
Bombers.
Yo,
Oh, go on. April.
there man.
Is everything chop?
Yeah man, me good man.
Yeah, you know, it's one thing I want to go to my share some true.
You know yeah.
Never one thing I want to show you, you know.
How are that?
Yeah, you know, it's about plant some weed I want to show you the farm and things. You mean,
Weed?
yeah man. There's some pepper and them you could think there.
Wait, pan here farm?
Yeah man.
Alright, me a second, I'll put on my shoes now.
Alright, me I go away from here, so.
Outside. Oh, so them ready I know like them how much week now you plant them?
Good boy, now I'm playing them man, but over 3 weeks, you know man.
3 weeks.
You
So
want
them supposed
to
to
see
in
them
them prime,
man.
you know man.
Yeah man.
Supposed to in them prime, you know.
You want to see them.
Ready?
Yeah man. Alright now.
Vamos.
Go.
You know, bro, and I like me afraid of you or anything like that, bro. Is it? So me just want, I gotta tell you something, bro, about I truth, and sometimes hard to tell people the truth, cause them just think like say you're pre-native or you're pre-them bad, or, you know. And based by the situation I'm gonna talk to you about, bro, I know how you feel now, bro, but I just want to tell you the truth, bro, cause it don't look good, bro. How you deal with your woman brother and your stepdaughter, bro. If you know say a girl to and as a man, bro. You can't, bro.
Oh yeah. Talking about that.
Yeah.
You know, see that really come down your dark, really talk to you about, bro.
Yeah, bro, cause it's like Bombers, just may I tell you something, Bombers, listen, bro.
Brother, me tell you stop
listen,
over
bro.
me yard, youth.
But I just food me
Bad
can
man.
go give them, bro.
Brother, me tell you stop over there,
I
youth.
just food me bring go give them because I'm hungry, bro. Four, 8, 20, 27, 28, 29. Take care, mother, here.
What if we're in a ring? Hello? Uncle? Uncle, you hear me? Uncle? You hear me, Uncle? Yes. I have something to tell you, Uncle. I get one dream, Uncle. I have something to tell you I want to buy for me. I must say I can't buy, you know. I can't buy at all. Yes, Uncle, come tell you number them. You have pen? Hurry up and go get one pen and one book. From me say I have a dream, I must run go for the pen and the book. Alright, Uncle. May I wait in a hurry up, you know? This man will dream up and go for the pen and the book. Okay, 2 minutes. You go feed? I'm telling you number them now. One of them are 20. Uncle, you hear me? You hear me? Oh, me I broke up, Uncle. You hear me? Let me tell you number again. 20 and 28. Hello? This blasted credit done, you know. Oh, then done. Credit done.
Evening, nice lady. Evening, Lato. How? 20, 28, 19, 03, 4. What is that? So far as the machine out, what is it? Alright, respect nicely.
Yeah, get you the one.
Visa.
Yeah, get you one.
lucky winners today. Our winning lotto jackpot draws numbers are 4, 18, 20, 27, 28 and 29.
18, 20, wait, 4, 18, 20, 27, 29. What me not win? Then they win, me win. Me win to rotted. No sir, I draw this. Draw this. I wait. So if I get that gym there from? No sir. Sophia. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, hear me? Alright, listen. Sophia. My niece, I want you keep your phone active because I come link your man in. Yes. When me just reach home and just keep your phone active, Sophia. I come link your man in. Right at the set spot I see you sit down the day you come. Yes. This one. Just keep your phone active, Sophia. Alright, my niece.
Good.
But Jesus help! It did help, Lord Jesus, me not tell no lie. Oh Father, how did this happen? No, say that pitney was a real blessing in the man. But Jesus. Oh wow. This is a real blessing. You see it? You see it? That's why you have to treat your pitney them good. Because I learn them, I learn. Look how the pitney just take up your rake and rake yard. Right now she gonna make her mother flourish. Just look at it. Just look at it now. Take a real look and see what's going on. Oh my word, no sir. The pitney girl win the lotto. Look how the matter that the pitney. Not even knowledge that she pitney a real blessing. That's why I see some of them money out there, young girl that take up a road. And every cow go like it calf. And every cow go like it calf. And every grass green up on the other side. You have to know which part the water drip from. Carve that pipe. You see it there? She could have teach her daughter. She could have did her daughter so bad till her daughter hate her. I can make this work. I can help her. It's a situation because I see it and they play a big part in their life and they not even realize. But I see because me realize. I help them. Because people have to understand, no man, people have to really understand. So youths them are the future, no man. They come like a little munchkin when we are going. Look out for you now, look out for you now. blouse and skirt.
Uncle, come here, uncle, see me here. Oh yes, master, uncle, I want you today.
Minis,
Yes, uncle.
repeat after me.
Alright, uncle.
I
I
am
am.
a millionaire.
Oh yes, uncle.
Minis, Sophia, let me just tell you something. Repeat after me. I
I
am
am
a millionaire.
a millionaire. I wanna know, uncle. I wanna know.
Sophia, you're a millionaire.
I like uncle.
Minis, you win the lotto, you win. Me not tell no lie, you win. You win.
Alright, uncle. You got the whole world.
Wait,
The whole world.
Wait, mother.
In the money for now. I cannot tell you the whole world, uncle.
Alright, Minis, look at. Sophia.
Yes, uncle.
Lord have his mercy. Sophia, me no know what going on, but you tapping a piece of luck. Sophia, wait there. You know, say, every one of them number them you tell me, girl, play.
I like you, uncle. You know, say one dream make no uncle, man. Dream.
I want you to make it.
Yes.
But, hey, anything dream to you. Me I tell you, say, me girl pick me. You licky jackpot. At 38 million.
I like you, I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Open a lie, tell me no. Open a prank, you prank me, no, uncle.
Me not prank you. Sophia, listen to me. My uncle, you ever see me tell lie to you yet?
No, uncle.
Sophia, you ever see me to me son tell lie to you? Me always help you.
Yes, uncle. But I love your prank, them.
Me know say me never done joke with you, Sophia, but this time I don't know joke. Remember say me know say your mother and your father and your dead papa. You go through a nice kettle of fish. You understand? So hear me I tell you now. You and your mother need to get a new house. You don't need to step out of the place they left him.
What kind of film place now, uncle?
Sophia, you see the money? You know say you're not going to be able if you can't spend the money the right way. But me don't want none of time. You see this money, I have to take care of your future education because this can help you to help your mother. You understand?
Yes, uncle.
And because me know say you understand, me are telling you the way you are. He can guide you. He can guide you with this money. And me no want none. Me no want none of it. Look, you understand me, Sophia?
Yes, uncle. Me understand, uncle.
Because a year is this. And a you, me tell your mother say he's a lucky child and she never did listen to me. But you see, because me know the goodness of the light and the goodness of the Lord, Sophie Choo. Sophie Choo. Choo. May I make this work for you. You understand me, Sophia? Sophia, I love you as my niece, you know.
Me know you know, uncle.
Me know, girl pick me. Me no know how you turn so lucky, but you're differently lucky. Hey, we are going to rock the business.
Your mommy of you know, uncle.
Can't sure.
You go want it, you want it.
You go and take it, give the man.
Okay.
You know, say I sense the girl. Look, girl, I sense to brought it. We are get one house.
Alright, uncle.
We are try to get a house.
Alright.
Ah, boy, Sophia, touch me hand. Touch me hand. Lord God. No, sir. Why I can't pick me? Look out. Hey. And look out there, you hide them. Look out there, you hide them. When I say a word, I protect you, just stay silent too. Not tell nobody. Not tell. No. Nobody know nothing.
I know something no uncle, me not tell nobody.
They me no know it. Touch it. A long time you have grown running.
Yes, uncle.
I make a move now.
Alright, uncle.
Bring me pan the bird.
Alright, uncle.
now, girl.
Alright, Uncle.
Later.
Alright.
Later. Boy, panic clothes mo ita gaya team saying wash to bad man. Eh? If you wash them, they must smell so. What me like that? You look on them upon the line. You find them upon the line. Eh? They wash to you. Eh? Answer my question.
Then of course me wash them this morning.
Them a no wash good. In the them ya. Them a wash. Eh? Them a wash. Them a wash.
Yeah, I wash them back.
Who wash them back? You're not even man thing good. Nothing you're not even me good with. Not at all. But in dirty clothes you have on the line so. Eh? And then you come talk to them boy wash clothes. Nothing about this are not clean. Nothing at all. Yo. Yes man, don't play with me, I hear that.
Every time me do something for you, look like something.
Yo, move fire some man. You buy clothes them, eh? You buy clothes them. Eh? You buy clothes them.
I wash them myself.
Nothing you do good in that so. Don't go looking for man if you make complain. Hey girl, don't around with me, I hear that. Watch him. Yeah, I'm jerk.
Skinny eye. Why? Skinny. What week long when I see skinny? Skinny eye. What's this strange? Skinny. I wonder what could have happened to Skinny, you know. Much weeks now, I not see Skinny. I wonder if I foreign in gone. If in gone, I foreign, you know, say I keep back things to me and Sophie. Why? Only hope I alright, yeah, man. Well, I hope I foreign in gone for you. Well, if in gone, I foreign, you know, some would look a bit alright. Would I happy do if I foreign? But you could have tell me if you make a foreign, you know. You could have tell me because I am a good friend. Why? I forgot to tell Sophie when he come from school later. So you look like Skinny gone foreign.
Just can't bother sometimes. Can't bother, yeah, man. Every time this man just a beat me up so. And he just blind. This is somebody love him and care about him and he not tap and beat them up. Every time so. Every time he just a beat up people.
Tina. What's doing so?
You really ask me that?
The race long as it's positive pass and see now.
Make them see and know how you turn.
Remember, you me say man. Get the finance man, you come here and some man, you idiot man. You get anything to get up and go on your house.
Not about I do, me can't sit down. You know, please.
Come as a snong a ball like you're an idiot. You know what I'm telling you. Yo, I want that girl, man. Come as if people see if people come make bad name off a man. You ask me when I worse. Yeah, not true me when I worse. Baby father, I we want to call you. Yo, hear me and say, man. A lot of people treat me certain way, man. Come and sing like an idiot. So for true. I don't want to tell you, girl, brother. Man in daughter come like I same thing.
Don't look, no peeping.
Just cover up my eyes, so cover up my eyes.
You must cover up your eye. Take over, take time. Take over your foot now.
Man, jump in now.
Sophia. Sophia. Yeah. Alright, turn on. Alright. Sophia. Go by that side. Just stand up. No, come back over. Careful. Stand up. Tina, come, walk. So, tap. Alright. Sophia. I know. Tina.
Yes, brother.
When me did tell you about your daughter, say what day? When me did tell you about your daughter?
Say I have some good intention.
Me tell you say your daughter is blessing to you. But Tina, you ready to see what your daughter do for you? You see how they in a hot sun like say you hold there, man. In Sophia, I'll do in their heart. But as you know, as your brother, my niece, and a uncle to a niece, you see as a brother, me make sure say, me look out for you and me see you know have one look out idiot boy a butter bruise, you know and something. Just look for your daughter. Look for your daughter. And look on that there.
Mommy.
Tell him Sophia, can I come like him blind?
Mommy. You need that glasses, mommy. You want to see so? You need that glasses. Mommy, hear me.
Jesus Christ, yeah. You make me happy for you, you don't reach nowhere yet.
So you have
Oh God, brother. Oh God.
Me tell you about you're not here. Watch out. Wait, let me take up his side. Hold this. A phone that's up with you.
Sure.
You see that? And your daughter do that for you. Look for your nice view.
Nice to you know.
Look for the nice house.
We go upstairs and that what I want to do.
We all love gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. I'm Kevin. Some call me Skinny, Water Bombshell, Sophie Cho. You know, I want to say thanks to everyone that's been supporting us, you know, watching the movie, liking, share, comment. You know, whether good comment or bad comment, we still appreciate you guys, because as long as you are part of this project or what project we did before, you know, whether to like it or to share it or to dislike it, it still encourages us, it still motivates us. So it's not a big deal, because we love doing movies, you know. Movies, a thing that we do every day. You know, it's a love, it's a passion. You know, so I want to thank everyone that has been supporting us. And I didn't want to say it is challenging or it is difficult, you know, because it's something that we love doing. So it's hard to say it's challenging or it's difficult or it's rough or anything like that. Everything has its own little challenge, you know, disadvantage and advantages, right? So it would look, you know, a bit bad or not so good to say it's difficult or challenging, but let's not say it's difficult or challenging. Let's say we want to become we want to do more better in what we're doing, you know, by asking you guys for the opportunity of support, continuing to support us, you know, help us to grow bigger and better, you know. So coming this summer, I want to talk about the project that we're doing this summer. So we start a GoFundMe to ask you guys for your support to help us to make this project possible in the summer. We haven't decided what month as yet, but we're trying to raise enough funds to allow us to able to execute that project so we can pay people and get material we need and stuff like that. We're also learning new softwares, trying to improve on our sound quality, visual quality, acting skills as well, you know, and we're asking you guys for the opportunity to help us to raise this fund to make this project possible. We did Valentine's, we did a movie Love and Time on Valentine's Day. It was a good project for us because we spend more time that way normally, more than what we normally do in the past movies, right? So we like to do really much better than the last one, than Love and Time. So for summer, guys, help us. It's a biblical movie. It's actually a biblical movie where it's about the gospel, you know, birth of Christ. So let's see how that goes for a Jamaica film. So we asking you guys to please support us. Go to our GoFundMe. Any means and way you guys can support us financially, or if you have anything else, like, you know, maybe I don't know, but anything that you guys can give, you know, with props. If you guys have clothes and shoes and stuff like that, like, we can use for props. Any books or anything, if you guys have a lot of books you want to give away, you know, we'd appreciate it. Same, because we can use them in movies. Same, we can write a script. I'm really good at making up stories, right? So as you guys see, most of the movies that have been put out, it's actually from here. No paper, I don't use pen and paper. Everything is actually from here, you know, because I actually watched the movie in my head before I came able to even film it, you know. So whatever props you guys have to give, we really appreciate it financially. Anyway, any means of way of helping us to get better, you know, liking our video, sharing our video, watch it, spend time watching the videos, you know, commenting, tell us what you think, you know, what you dislike and what you like, you know. It really helps us to get better. So for summer, guys, we're gonna put some extra work in summer, but we need your help, we need your support, we need your understanding of what we're doing here. It's not just fun, it's fun, but it's actually a part of our financial aid, what you call it, go-to, right? It's our financial go-to. That's where we go to get our money. And it's been, like I said, I didn't want to say it's struggling, but most of the time we had to spend money from our own pockets to get stuff done that we're not getting back, you know. But it's the love. When you love something, you know, you spend time and, you know, you work with it, especially when it makes you happy, you know. So I really would love to see this project come to life in summer, and me and my team, you know, working on sound and working on acting skills. Cash, you know, good actor. And then you have Bamas. Bamas is a sound engineer guy learning the sound quick and fast. You know, he's trying to, you know, develop the quality of the sound. Whether sound effects or the recording, you know, Bamas, that's Bamas, sound engineer, you know. And then you have the actor now, one touch, you know, yeah, one touch, the actor is a good one, you know. So guys, we would love to put in more effort and more creativity, you know, more time into the movies. You know, we had to rush doing so much movie in 1 month when it's not supposed to be like that, because movie take time, because it take time to do about the scene till they get it right. Different angles are the dialogue that the actors have to say and stuff like that. So it really take time. So for me to produce 10-5 movie for the month, it's really difficult. In which I didn't want to say difficult, but it's difficult because you have to rush to make a dollar so you can survive for the next month. You know, so guys, help us to only produce 1 movie per month. That means you get good quality movie, you know, sound, acting skills, you know, the concept of the movie, the script. Awesome, guys. So we're asking you for the opportunity to support us, keep supporting us, you know. Send us a lot of prayer and love, you know. Pray God bless us also, you know. And we'd love to always continue doing movies for you guys. We all have gifts, and only a few of us harness them in everyday life for others to benefit. Skinny, what a bombshell. So for sure, love you all. Enough respect and thanks again in advance.